left hand of the screen to the green screen, and that's screen share. So you press on screen share, and then we're gonna go all the way to the right business office unit.
That's
Like, yep, that's the guy.
And then start screen share.
Yes, start screen share. Yeah. So what's happening right now is the YouTube live stream is private, by the way. It's not public. It sees the site right now. It hears us talking, and it sees where you're going with your mouse. It sees, yeah. So it's being recorded so that I know what we've done and I can go back because I need to collect data.
Yeah.
Yeah. So again, so if you have any questions, just ask. Speak out loud what you're thinking, and we're going to begin with the tasks that I sent you in advance. And we're going to begin with task 1. And I have my observation sheet where I'm going to go ahead and just jot my notes down. And my first question is, so this is the homepage of the University of Hawaii Maui College Admin Services Business Office. And you're right now in round 2. So I've already done round 1 with 4 other participants. And I've come back and I've made changes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And you're in round 2.
Okay.
So, so I'm going to ask you to give me your initial reactions to the page. I have some questions that I'm going to be asking you that's going to elicit your reactions. And then what you're going to be doing is you'll feel free to scroll all over the page as you normally would with the mouse, but just don't click on anything, but the mouse can hover or it can go anywhere you want, up and down on the page. And my first question is, have you ever seen this website before?
No.
Thank you for that. So my first question is, please give me your initial impressions about the layout of this page. What you think about the colors, the graphics, the photo, and we're just concentrating on this first page.
Am I able to like?
Yeah,
scroll?
You can get your mouse. You can scroll up and down as it. Yeah, there you go.
So when I first went on, I noticed the picture. Actually, like that because not many people know where the business office is or what the building looks like. So usually I would have to explain like where it is and what signs to look for. So that's pretty helpful. How it looks like. Let's see. So we have business office, hours of operations. Okay.
So again, it's the layout of the page, what you think about the colors, the graphics, probably it's like the font, is the size of the font, is it readable? Is there anything that you could see get improved with?
I think the links here should be a little bigger. And the links here on the side as well, because it seems like I might be squinting.
Okay, and you know what I can do for you right now? Is I'll make it bigger for you just so that you can.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's actually a preference for the user.
Oh, okay.
On the side.
Okay.
Thank you for that. That's good to know.
I like the colors too. It's simple, not too noisy, or yeah, it's not a distraction. Center suite.
And also, when you feel comfortable that you've answered the question, and I'll just try to pick up on your hints, and then I can go on to the next one.
Okay.
Yeah. So without clicking on anything yet, please describe the options you see on the home page, and what do you think some of them do?
The options. So I'm guessing the options, like for these, guess there are different topics within the business office. I know certain people do that works in the business office do travel, so that would be helpful. Also for P card, looks like updates resources form. Doesn't really have any like training forms. Cash. here. So as for the forms, would that be just for the business office? Or,
More than likely.
yeah, okay. Names, office staff, name. I'm guessing this one would be who works in the business office.
Mhm.
Center Suites. Um,
So without clicking on anything yet, please tell me what, if you were exploring, what would you click on first? If you could click on something, what would be like the first place you would like to go?
because I have P card, I would most likely go to P card because I haven't had training in that, so I would have to ask around and how to do stuff, or I would always
Right.
bother the business office and ask one person or the other person, how do you do this or do that? It would be best if they had like maybe a PDF file or a training, just like a quick one.
Yes. Good. I like that. Okay. And what do you think is the purpose of this site?
Purpose of this site would actually to help like anyone that goes with the business office. Just so I know the business office, there's not much employees to help all the staff, so they may be too busy helping other people. So, like for me, I don't really like to bother them too much, and I like to, I guess, learn on my own. So it's
Mhm.
best if like everything is on that website, so you don't have to bother them too much,
Good.
rather than having them email us.
Right.
Oh, this is how you do it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good. So, and who do you think, you kind of said this, but who do you think the site is intended for?
For the staff, like employees, or could be students as well, student employees.
Very good. Students, okay. And any other comments before we go on?
No, looks good.
Okay. Okay, we're going to go on to task 2. This is a fun one, and 5 minutes isn't much, but what I'm going to do is give you 5 minutes to go anywhere you want on this entire site.
Okay.
And please remember to think out loud, speak out loud, think and speak out loud as you do so. And then it's going to be timed so we can move on, but I'll start you, I'll give you an extra minute, but it's 12:04, so you can start now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Civil business office. I do a lot of P card. I'm gonna look at P card first. Oh, that's good. That's from the website. P card features. There's a lot of words, so
Lots of words.
I don't like to read too much.
Right, and what pops out at you?
This feature, P card features.
Okay.
Compliance. Yeah, so there's not much referring to like training.
Under P card,
Yeah,
you're looking for training,
there's
correct?
training.
Okay.
Travel. So I do travel sometimes. Website. Oh, okay, this person is important. Travel process guide.
Travel guide, yeah.
Before travel. Yeah, it just needs pictures or
You want pictures?
yeah, picture. Well, it's too much words.
Too much words. Is it because it's big right now? If it's
Probably.
yeah. You want me to make it smaller?
Is it right here?
Yeah. Click on that, and then you go minus. Yeah. So you can see more of the page on the screen.
Okay.
There you go. Okay.
So cashier, what would be cashier?
Does it help that the paragraph is there?
Suppliers can provide you with student account information contacts. Yes.
Yes.
So I would also add like a picture of the cashier side
Mm-hmm.
because not many people know where that is too. For instance, we have students come into our office
Yes.
asking where the business office
Very
is,
good.
or the staff, the casuals, they usually come in, oh, where do I
Right.
get my timesheets? But timesheets are online now. But
Right.
before we would tell them, oh, you have to go out of the business office and go around.
Exactly. Very good. I like that.
Let's see. Well, for me, I like a lot of directions, like where to go to and visual stuff.
The visual.
Yeah, more of a visual person.
What would help you here besides the picture?
Mm,
If you were a student.
if there was a, what do you call those questions and answers, or those common questions and
Common
answers?
questions?
Yeah, that people ask. It's good to have that one.
Like facts.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, 2 more minutes. Just giving
Okay.
giving a heads up.
Time.
So you went into forms. Is that where you're at?
Yeah,
Okay.
forms. Not sure what these are.
Would it help you if there was more space in between each line?
Yeah, because
Would
it's.
it be easier to read?
Yeah, sorry.
No, that's okay.
Transfers on that order.
Yeah.
So this one is similar to P-card? Not really.
Procurement, yeah. So
Or for like requisitions. Uh, this is. Oh, it just goes to the forms. How to do stuff.
do you do DBs?
I did a couple, but I haven't been doing lately. I've always been interested in what supercode is since
Oh, you
I've
haven't
never.
used that yet?
No. Forms. How to this one is. For the context, I think it's, I don't know if you put in their title before this,
Okay,
just to know who these people are.
right.
And then I'm not sure if they're numbered or in order of priority, like who to go first and then
I
last.
see. Good question.
These are just policies. Okay. This is, oh yeah.
All right. Time is up.
Okay.
Okay. Did good. Thank you for that. And so we're going to go into 3 different scenarios, and each one has a specific task, and I'm going to read it out loud. And if and when you get to a point where you're good, you've gotten what you needed out of it, or if you're like, I'm not going to find this, it's just too hard.
Yeah.
Or just tell me in your words, and then we can move on.
Okay.
Oh, and if at any point you need to take a break, because we have scheduled breaks in here, if you need to take a break, just we'll put it on pause and you can take a break. So
Okay.
don't hesitate. Forgot to take that.
That's fine.
Okay, so the first scenario is your department has asked you to purchase, if we're on task 3, has asked you to purchase a copy machine for your department. The only information that you're told is that the copy machine that they want you to purchase is going to be approximately $4,500. So using this website, determine whether it has and contains information that assists you in your task and gives you direction.
Okay.
You know, if it's a resource for what you need to do.
Okay.
Procuring.
So I haven't done this before, but I've always heard about Supercode. Anytime you spend 2,500 or more, so I would have to think you go to procurement, and that would be the Supercode right here. Supercode required.
So what do you see? What pops out at you?
Supercode.
The word Supercode pops out first.
Yeah, but I'm not sure like where to go or what to do next.
Okay, and so the task is $4,500. What would you look for?
So for that amount, I'm guessing, well, there's the information here that says over to 2,500.
There
so
you
like
go.
only one method
Does that
of
help
purchase.
that it's in red?
Yes. So like only one method of purchase. I didn't know there were different types of method to purchase if you spend over 2,500.
Yes,
so this
good.
is helpful.
Good. Okay.
Am I able to like
You
go
can click
there?
on anything you want.
Okay.
It's all clickable.
New buyers, new vendors. Okay.
So what you've determined is it's over 25, and so you would need to use Supercode.
Yeah, to use Supercode.
And what else would you use to purchase?
That I don't know actually.
You done?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm sorry.
No, that's fine. You did good. Thank you. All right, so task number 4, scene 2. So this one is, you have a P card and you need to purchase a computer monitor for your office from a vendor. However, you're not sure whether or not a monitor is an approved P card purchase.
Mhm.
So using the website, determine whether it has the information or resource that you need to complete your task. So when you feel you've completed the task, just let me know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So P card, go to the P card section, and then there is P card limits, unallowable purchases. I would think I would go there. There are several items and services that the P card shall not be used for.
When you see that, the read more, do you think of it as something that you can click on?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So shall not be used for. So I will be purchasing a computer monitor. So it looks like it would not be in this section. So I'm guessing that I would be able to use my P card to buy a monitor, but it has to be below 2,500.
Very good. That was kind of quick. You got that?
Yeah.
All right. I
Confirm.
know not testing me, but I just want to make sure that this site is working for your needs.
Yeah.
You know,
Mhm.
and if it's not, you can let me know so I can fix it.
Okay.
I want it to help you. This is your tool.
Mhm.
I want it to be your tool. Okay, task 5, scene 3. So you need to travel. You're required to travel to a neighbor island for a 2-day meeting. You need to access and complete travel document for this task. But using this website, determine whether or not it has the information and resources you need to complete your task successfully. And so when you've completed this task, just let me know.
Okay. So this would be travel. We go to travel section. So what I want to do is see if I had questions. They probably asked me to stay. So let's go that her info is in there. If you're doing travel, COH, is this clickable? This goes to the website. Oh,
No.
it's the picture.
Yeah. Do the subpages help over there on the top? Or does it help you that it's down in the middle in the first paragraph? Or does it help you that it's to the left? Because I have the subpages in 3 different areas.
Actually, like the top portion, it's
Okay.
easier.
Because they're in 3 different places.
Oh, okay.
You see?
So this one would be this one.
Yeah, they're all the same, and then yeah. So I put them in several places because some people gravitate to different areas.
Yeah.
You know, having it.
Travel process guide.
So you have to go so you have to go for a 2-day meeting.
2-day meeting.
So
things to consider before going on a sponsored travel. So before the trip, what to do. Okay, that one's good. And then where to begin goes to e-travel. No later than 10 days. Creating travel requests. Nice feature. I don't think I've seen this before.
Okay. What are you looking for, do you think? Is there something specific that I'm missing that would help you?
Like what to do on a 2-day meeting. So I'm guessing I have to create the travel. And then like what to do next, like
Right.
to put in your info and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, right there.
If you stayed overnight, what would you need, do you think?
Would be lodging.
Okay. Is that helpful?
Cessna compressor.
Do you like it in bullets better than a paragraph?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'd be easier to read. Yeah, these bullets are okay too.
Yeah. Or do you like it in steps, like numbers?
Like what to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be helpful. Because my eyes like to wander around
Yeah.
and not like read the straight paragraph.
Okay.
Transportation.
What do you think about this page?
So it shows airfare,
Mm-hmm.
personal time, or any air, travel, taxi fare.
A lot of information for different things, yeah.
Yeah. In one page.
Does it help you?
Yeah.
What you need to do?
Yeah.
What's the most helpful thing so far?
On this page?
Yeah.
Let's see. There's a lot of different topics, so you know where to go. Like for instance, I know I had a couple questions on personal time,
Okay.
so that one is good too. I didn't know we could fly on Mokulele Corp. Car rental, taxi fare, check baggage, airport parking.
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
Very good. Okay, so that was task 5, the travel task. And we're actually done with the scenarios, and I just have a couple, just a few questions to ask you, and they're general. So it's like, what is your overall impression of the website?
It's organized and simple. A lot of information, so that's good. At least a couple pictures, but not too much in each page.
Would that be more helpful for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what would you like to see more of?
So as in for pictures, pictures of where the departments are.
Okay.
For instance, the cashiers.
Cashier window.
What else? A snapshot of the screen, like I guess
Yeah.
where common people go to.
Okay. You mean like for travel or for?
Yeah, for travel. Also, P card too.
P-card.
Those are
What
the
the
two
what the
common.
screen actually looks like.
Yeah,
Screenshot.
yeah.
Okay, thank you. Got it. All right, so what are the 3 things you like best about the website? Just 3.
Oh, I just
The
said
3 top
organize.
things.
Organize, the simplicity. And the different options of the what do you call these here?
Pages.
Yeah, the pages.
What are the 3 things you like least about the website?
Not much pictures.
Okay.
You know, I mentioned that a lot.
That's okay. I like that.
Doesn't have those common questions that people ask.
Okay. What would that be labeled? Just common questions.
What do they call the
Most
Is it FAQ?
FAQs.
Yeah.
Frequently asked.
Yes, frequently. Had a brain fart.
That's okay.
What else? The last one.
You don't have to come up with 3.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't have it.
Okay.
Just those 2.
That's awesome. That's good. Okay. Do you have any questions for me that I can help you, show you, or
Does this page have like videos?
no videos?
No videos?
Yeah. So that's a good question.
Like a mixture
What
of
kind
media?
of a video? So if you could have a video, what kind of a video? What would you like to see on that video?
I guess like tutorials too.
Tutorial.
Some people are different. They either like that one page how to do stuff, or they want to go step by step on how they do it, like pause and then they go together with it. Yeah, just have a mixture of media
Okay.
in it. I think that's it.
All right. So what we can do is you can click on the bottom world, go to the world, and just hover over the Mozilla, and then go to the right screen, and then what you can do is you can stop the broadcast.
Okay.